Introducing Bicol University, the premier state university in the heart of Bicolandia. Established in 1969, our prestigious institution continues to serve as a beacon of learning, research, and innovation while offering a diverse range of programs helping to nurture minds, shape futures, and build sustainable societies. With a legacy rooted in professional and technical training, literature, philosophy, sciences, and arts, our institution stands as a torch of academic excellence, illuminating the path towards holistic education and personal growth. Our institution upholds our standards of scholarship, leadership, character, and services, the four pillars of Bicol University education.
Nestled at the heart of its main campus, Bicol University's College of Science represents a bastion of knowledge, fostering the next generation of innovators and leaders in various fields. BUCS not only focuses on academic excellence, but also makes a tangible difference by uplifting lives across the Bicol region. Here, amid state-of-the-art facilities and a vibrant academic community, aspiring chemists, biologists, meteorologists, IT specialists, and computer scientists embark on a journey of discovery and transformation.
Within this dynamic environment, the Computer Science and Information Technology Department of the College of Science stands a hub of innovation and opportunity. As the digital landscape continues to evolve at a rapid pace, our CSIT program equips students with the skill of knowledge necessary to thrive in this ever-changing field. Whether delving into the realms of artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data analytics, or software engineering, students in the CSIT department are immersed in hands-on learning experiences and prepare them for success in the tech industry and beyond.
I chose Bachelor of Science in Computer Science because not only are the career opportunities lucrative, but it's also diverse, spanning numerous industries. It's also flexible, which means that if you ever get tired, you can easily transition into other fields.
I chose computer science because I've always been fascinated by the way technology shapes our world. Plus, the idea of creating software and algorithms that can solve complex problems and improve people's lives is incredibly exciting to me.
I chose computer science because I have a knack for problem solving using logic and reasoning. So, I want to build a career where I can fulfill my curiosity while also creating technological innovations that can help make our lives easier.
Money.
Curious about life as a student at Bicol University? Take a look at these clips to get a glimpse of the energetic atmosphere on campus, from sports competitions to cultural events.
My goal as a student is to acquire a comprehensive understanding of computer science principles and practical applications. Graduating is not just an end goal, but a milestone in my lifelong learning journey.
My goal as a student is to gain knowledge and skills throughout my academic journey to develop innovative strategies here in Bicol University College of Science.
Bicol University doesn't just educate, it inspires minds, transforms lives, and empowers future leaders.
Be part of our legacy of excellence and service to society as we pave the way for a brighter tomorrow through education. So, what are you waiting for? Join us at Bicol University for a life-changing journey of academic excellence.